Hello world, PDR coming at you here with a 2012 Mazda CX-9 cross-track kind of car, and it has a kind of similar dent to that Subaru Fender where it's not up on the edge here, but it's down on this lower edge. It got bumped a little bit, and it even went into this bumper, but there's nothing we can do for that. What we're going to do is focus on this right here. And so I think before getting it really warm, I did get it warm, and I got in there and I checked my access, just sneaking behind this little piece of plastic. But I think before I do that, I'm gonna stick a couple real solid tabs on here and just try to maneuver some of this metal out, like right there. And let's take this tab, do kind of the same right about there. Now that didn't have a secure push. There's a little piece of glue that was dried on the tab. It wasn't perfectly clean, so let's pull this fairly quick. Little bit of movement. Now that glue will just come right off the plastic, no worries. And before going in there and actually making a whole bunch of pushes, I'd prefer to just give it a little glue pulling. That's kind of strong. I thought it wasn't going to pull that well, but it sure did, because I had to push it in really hard. And hey, at this point in the videos, when I say I sure do appreciate everybody clicking on this video, I really do. If you guys don't mind hitting the subscribe button and becoming part of the community, we sure appreciate it. And I know we don't have the microphone on today, so I'm being kind of trying to be loud enough and talk to you guys, but also check the comment section or leave a comment. We always love that. So 2 pulls in, we got a lot of that one out. Little guy in there that I'll end up tooling out with the tool. Probably number 1 with just a straight metal to metal. No little squishy tip needed. I might even get my squishy tip in there. Who knows? I might get my little dent craft tool in there. But let's make another pull, and I think this time I'm going to do 1 bead of glue, and I'm just going to come right through the middle like this. That area that we want to pull. Give it about 5 or 10 seconds. See, it's being held in from the bottom. So what we're going to have to do is pretty much the same kind of thing we just did in the last pull. 1 strip right down the middle. Drop it in there. And hope for the best. Give it about 5 or 10 seconds. There we go. That was a solid pull. I yanked on that thing, guys. Cool. So it's not cold, but it's you know, not warm to the touch at all. Just kind of, it's probably about 50-55 degrees out. Not optimum for glue, so I can always just turn this on for a couple of seconds, warm it up to about 70 where that glue is the best, and then let's give it 1 more little pull. It's already warming up a little bit. Let's give it 1 more little pull here. Try to keep you guys in for the most of the part here, of the majority of the work. We might do a little super speedy. This thing is going to take me a little bit of time, but we want to keep you in for as much as possible. Please excuse the background noise. A little plane flying overhead. Probably not a little one, probably a large one. And 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's give it a good yank. Wow, half stayed on the tab and half stayed on the tab and half stayed on the car. So that was almost the perfect timing. I guess it would be the perfect timing because I like to leave the glue on the car so I can just do this and take it off nice and easy. Wow, that gave a nice little pull. And so what we'll probably end up doing, guys, is some of this I even went a little high on that one. Give it a little bit of taps. Just to find that tension line. Might give it another little pull up here, but I think what I'm going to do is turn on the heat gun and get in here with some tools. We'll do it with super speedy, and then we'll come back to you and show you the end result in just a bit. Okay guys, here's what we ended up with. Let's take a look down it. It's straightened out pretty nice. There's a little tug down here, and obviously this whole top got you know, scraped through, but I think for what we said we were going to do for it and what we did for it, it came out pretty good. If you guys would hit us up with a like, and you know, throw a comment down below. We always love to see the comments. We always love to see the subscriber count grow and see the community grow. So if you guys like what you see, hit us up with a like, and other than that, I'll just say the thing. This has been PDR, and I'm out. Peace.